Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me. Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, a V-Series, circa 2009, Rolex Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona in white gold, reference 116509. Sodalite dial. This is something different. Not only are these uncommon, but if you're familiar with the first generation Sodalite watches from the 90s with the Zenith caliber, those were exclusively available on straps. With the 6-digit watches, we now have the option of a full matching gold bracelet. So the watch is 40 millimeters in diameter. You can see in profile it is quite thin, only 12.4 millimeters thick. Lug-to-lug, the case is 47.7 millimeters. Add the solid end links to the bracelet. Now it's 52 millimeters across the wrist with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll pop open the clasp and we will take a closer look at this watch. We will withdraw the glove a little bit so you can see my wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference, and the watch wears nicely. The lugs are not broad across the wrist, but the end links of the bracelet are pretty broad. So I'm going to recommend if you're going to wear this on the bracelet, your wrist should probably be 15 centimeters circumference or larger. If you're just going to put it on a strap, then you could get away with 14, maybe even 13 and a half. But the idea here is to wear it with a bracelet. You can see it'll easily slide underneath a tight sleeve or dress cuff. No problem on a 16 centimeter circumference wrist. Now this is gray gold, so it's white gold that's white all the way through, never needs to be rhodium plated. That's just a sticker right there. That's a burnishing is what that is. And so we have this material, and it's important to note that gray gold is the good stuff. And so gray gold, again, if you see a little burnishing or a scratch, it's the same color straight through. It doesn't have to be rhodium plated, so you don't worry about material flaking off or wearing off the top. Now you can also see that it features an Oyster bracelet, a conforming end link that tapers down towards the clasp. We have polished outer faces, polished centers, satin finished shoulders, and removable links are fixed in place using screws. Taking a quick look at the inside of the clasp, you can see that we've got several pairs of divots drilled in, 3 of them, so you can dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point. Then you have Easy Link, which is a snap-in, snap-out, tool-free adjustment. So if you want to make an inward adjustment or an outward adjustment, Easy Link lets you do that easily, no tools. We have a lift lock system that's spring-loaded with a beak, and then there's a hook inside the clasp. So that's the first lock, and that's the second. It's actually 2. You can see there are scratches on this watch, and that's because Rolex Certified Pre-Owned is a watch reconditioned for optimal mechanical operation and 100% Rolex parts and authenticity, but it does not necessarily mean the watch is exactly like a new watch. It's a little bit like buying Certified Pre-Owned BMW or Mercedes-Benz. It's going to be very good and mechanically top-notch in all Mercedes-Benz, but not necessarily indistinguishable from a new car, and so that's the idea here. We have a case that's a lot more delicate and beautiful in its detail than the super cases on the subs, the GMTs, the Explorer 2s, and the Sea Dwellers. You can see we've got screw-down crowns, screwed-in case back, 100-meter water resistance. We got a trip-lock crown in gold. You know that because there's 3 dots, but the center dot is the largest. We have a little bit of a cambered and boxed sapphire. Tachymetric scale outboard, which can be used with the chronograph to gauge the speed of an object, such as a race car around a track. And then we have white gold hands, white gold indices for the brilliant cut diamonds, white gold Arabic numerals at 15, 30, and 45, plus the 5-point coronet. Those items will never tarnish or oxidize with time. Do a quick loom shot so you can see the hands are loomed, but the remainder is not. The watch features polished chapter rings for the sub-registers. It is a Sodalite dial. That is a natural mineral material, meaning this blue marbled aesthetic is common to the Sodalite dials, but no 2 of them will ever be exactly alike. And it's a lovely look. I also find that for a men's watch, diamonds on the inside of the watch are often more acceptable than diamonds on the outside of the watch. Inside the case, protected to 100 meters, Rolex caliber 4130, bidirectional automatic winding with a rotor on a ball bearing, 72-hour power reserve, 44 joules, 4 hertz beat rate, hacking seconds. It has a vertical clutch for smooth engagement of the chronograph, so there's no jump when you activate it, there's no stagger. And if you wish to leave it running, no additional wear and tear to the mechanism. The column wheel gives you a crisp feel. We also have a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. The free sprung balance also allowing for very precise adjustment of timing. And then we have a overcoil hairspring that allows the watch to keep excellent time in any physical orientation with respect to gravity. The movement adjusted in 5 positions is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer. So if you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.